In this video, we are going to see how to organize data in stacked format and unstacked format. I have opened up the study plan on MyMathLab. So first we're going to see question 11. I'm going to pause for a few seconds so you can read the question. So let's click on the data table. So the data table shows the brain size, and then there is some coding for the header male. So the data, instead of yes or no, 1 or 0 has been used. So first question is the format of the dataset stacked or unstacked? So stacked data is such that each row corresponds to data values collected from one individual. So if you look at the first row, the brain size and the gender correspond to the same individual. And then the second row corresponds to the second individual. So here each row corresponds to an individual. So it's actually stacked data set. Let's check the answer. Okay. So explain the coding. What do 1 and 0 represent? So here, because there is a header male, the 1 represents a yes and 0 represents a no. So third question is, because we answered stacked here, we need to unstack the data set. So unstacking means the numerical data, which is the brain size, is split into categories of the categorical variable. Because note that in the starting data, we have one numerical variable, which is the brain size, and then one categorical variable, which is the gender, which has male, female as categories. So if you split the data set in numerical data into categories, we get an unstacked data set. So it has to be either C or D. I'm going to close this data set. So let's see the number of zeros in the original data set, which has 1, 2, 3 zeros, which means 3 female data values. So, sorry, four female data values. So it has to be C. Okay.